It gives me an immense pleasure to be with Rowley's Foundation today for coming third wave of corona. I know the founder, chairman of Rowley's for last more than 15 years, and I know his social services and his awareness programs for the country's sake. So today, when there was an invitation by the Rowley's Foundation to share my views on third wave, which is likely to affect Bharat as well as the world. Though I am not an expert person to speak on coronavirus, but as an NGO head, as an NGO worker, I have an enough experience of social problems like tsunami, like Morbi issue, like earthquake issue. So this time also we had enough experience in first corona episode uh, by working with the policemen, by working with the school college people, and having an awareness programs uh, amongst uh, even college students. So this time Rollies invited me to have my views on third wave, how to prevent, how to make an awareness program amongst the community, and how it is going to affect the school and college going students, particularly of from 0 to 10 years age group students. So first I will make sure that government will try at all level to see that this time, like second wave, they are not caught with inadequate preparation. So I don't want to go in detail of the government preparation, but this time even I request all NGOs, not necessary RSS, not necessary NMO, not necessary Bharat Vikas Parishad, not necessary BJP, not necessary Bharatiya Kisan Sangh, but even Rotary, Lions, Swadhyay Parivar, Swaminarayan Sampradaya, and Sri Sri Ravi Shankar group. So there are so many NGOs. If they together make an awareness program amongst the schools, amongst the colleges, and amongst the community, I think this time we can definitely come over any crisis if required hand to hand with government or individually. So now to begin with, when we go to schools, what is likely to see, and from August onwards, we are knowing that government is thinking to start schools. So before that also, if we can pass on a good message to the school teachers कि आप साधारण नहीं हैं, सामान्य नहीं हैं, आप और आपके हाथ में प्रलय और निर्माण खेलता है। आप इन बच्चों का निर्माण सही ढंग से कोरोना से फाइट करने के हेतु कैसे करेंगे, तो राइट फ्रॉम गेट ऑनवर्ड्स, from sanitization at the gate, Then at the sitting arrangement, they must see that the social distance is maintained. And in each classroom, when teacher says something, is directly goes into the blood of the student. Sometimes when the parents say something to the students, it may not go to the heart or the mind of the student, but when the teacher says, they will pick up so well. So they will execute the same thing at the home. So what is their training? Mask, social distance, proper sanitization, frequent hand washing when you play in the ground. So if all these things are taught properly at the school level, I think very few casualties in the name of corona we will have, and we can defeat corona at the school level. So, but if we are careless, if there is no proper training is given to the students, then we do not know what sort of casualty will happen that we have experienced in the second wave. Second thing is at the same thing is for the college level. All the exams which are likely to occur must be with the social distances, mask and proper sanitization. And third thing is that we must go in the community, in the slums areas. See, where there also the parents must be taught in a small group of some 20, 30, 40, 50 people, and at the same time see that everybody is in the mask, and they must be taught in the language in which they understand that for your sons or daughters' safety, these are the safety precautions. And if they do not have sanitization equipment, provide them. See, that is what a social work we should do. If they don't have mask, we should see that they are provided mask. The cost of mask is not that much. So these sort of services, proper training, proper awareness programs in the lower middle class community. So if we talk of Ahmedabad, Karnavati, we have got Behrampura area, we have got the Dani Limda area, and many other areas where they live in so much density, where we'll have to go educate them, and we will have to tell them this is a sort of contagious disease also. See, if one person is affected, if he is not isolated, then he is likely to infect others. So this corona, if we are prepared how to fight them, I think we can really fight them. We can defeat them also. But if we are little careless, see, we are hearing now and then the Delta virus is coming. It is now coming to India also. More than 10, 15 countries are now in the third wave episode also. So we must prepare ourselves for preventing these things. Like awareness program that we listen, there is one more important factor or one more important side is Corona Warrior Training Program. So on ground, who is saving the patients, who is working for the patients? So they are known as Corona Warriors, a new terminology that we heard in this Corona episode. So it is not the doctor who is Corona Warrior, right from sweeper to ward boy to nurse to Corona Warriors to ambulance driver and there is a chain of people. Together they form Corona warriors. So, see, there are some Corona warriors who are in government job. So we don't consider them at present because they have had their training enough. But we want to see that around 1 lakh such Corona warriors who are voluntarily ready to work for Corona episode, Corona issues in any hospital of Bharat. So such Corona warrior training program is being taken by Seva Bharati International, Arogya Bharati, National Medical Organization, and many such paramedical organizations affiliated to Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh. So, this training we initiated yesterday at around 7 p.m. for 2 hours. So, that was the part of training for doctors. We have decided to create a syllabus for even sweepers, for even ward boy, for the female voluntary workers who are ready to work as a nurse or to assist the nurse, and for even doctors who are non-government practitioner like me. For I'm not in job. I'm a non-government practicing doctor surgeon. So all those doctors, nurse, females, and many others, so they will not take a single rupee pay from the government, but they will be trained and they will be helping hand to the existing Corona warriors on payroll. So I think such 1 lakh Corona warrior training that we will be completing will go a long way for the government machinery to act very smoothly, and we will see that none of the voluntary worker is given more than 6 to 8 hours job in a day. So they will have a refreshing time for them at home for coming rest of the time, rest of the day. So this is one of the mega project that RSS has taken. So all its allied organizations will be trained for third wave, how to face, how to conquer, how to cure. So these are the things that we have aimed at, and I think again I repeated that Krishna, Lord Krishna said, Bhagwan Krishna said that संगौ शक्ति कलयुग है, कलयुग में संगठित ताकत में ही मेरा वास रहेगा, उनमें मैं रहूँगा, और जहाँ मैं हूँ वहीं विजय रहेगा। इस प्रकार की धारणा के साथ मैं मेरी वाणी को विराम देता हूँ। अस्तु। भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम। जय हिंद।